What brought you to Igoya?
The eyes. I'm a rose girl.
Jesus!
That's my work. That's what I do for a living. I want men that matters. I want influential men. I want politicians. I want men to rush to be rushing me.
He rush well, he rush.
Yes, the eyes. I want money-minded men. I want politicians. I'm tired of 5K, 10K. I'm tired of she don't need the money.
She no want Ferrari. She no want Bugatti. She say now my love.
Yes, the eyes. I'm tired of all this. I'm tired of ass breaks.
Last, now everybody go chop breakfast.
Please, this is what I want you to do for me. I want to travel around the world. Please, my lord.
The eyes. I don't agree to this. What this little girl is requesting for is bigger than her. How can this little thing be requesting for what to be controlling the wealthy men?
Hey!
Who is the wealthy man?
We are the wealthy men.
Who is the influential man?
We are the influential men.
They do not even have breasts. Not yams. How can this little thing be controlling me? The eyes. This request must not be granted.
How dare you disrespect the eye? For this is not your decision. No one come to Igoya and does not get what they desire. Be careful. Be careful!
The eyes. If only you can grant my request, I'll do anything. I mean anything and everything. Please, the eyes. Do this favor for me. I'll forever be grateful.
Are you sure you are ready? If that be the case, you must go and bring 3 adult male virgins. Jesus! Make sure they are above 30. And whatsoever you want will be granted to you.
Don't you think this is too much? I mean, there's no man out there who is the age 30 and still be virgin.
Hey!
Yes. This one is hard though. I don't think this one will be possible.
They play! Just the play!